this tutorial, we talk about case statements in Bash. Case statement simplifies conditions into multiple choices. That is, unlike the if and else statements, case statements here give you multiple choices for a question or for an answer that is being asked to you in your Bash script. That is, rather than three statements, that is the if, elif, or else statement, you have multiple choices like 10 to 15 or 7 or 8 choices that you can choose from. Case statements in general are used to solve multiple or complex conditions in your scripts. So let's start with this case statement I've written here. This is a simple case statement that I've written here. So what are in these case statements? The first one we have to notice is the case. Case is used to start the case statement, and as case is used to start it, ESAC is used to end it. Now ESAC is opposite of case, that is flipping case from right to left. That is ESAC, spelling case backwards is how to end the case statement. Then what again is in this case statement that we have to know? You have to know that each case statement here stops with a double colon, saying that hey, it hasn't stopped, you have to continue. Hey, it hasn't stopped, you have to continue. That is what this double colon is for. That is the double semicolon is for. What again is in this case statement? Now in this case statement, we have our cases here as blue, as green, as red, as black, as white, and also asterisks. And what does this asterisk do? I'm going to tell you right now. So in this case statement, or let me say in my Bash script, I wrote read P examples of a primary color, and the example I'm going to name the variable color. I've told you this thing in my former video, how to impute variables in a question. I say this in my videos. Just go to my video and watch it right now. So the variable here is color. So I now wrote case color in. Now if your color is blue, it will echo is a primary color. If your color is green, it will echo color green is also a primary color, and red, color red is great. So I added black. Black is not a color, of course, it's an attitude. This is an advert. I had to look for what to write for black, so I wrote an advert in place of it. That's black is not a color, black is an attitude. So white, I just wrote white is the normal color. Then this asterisk here deals with anything that is not in the case statements I've written here. That is, if you didn't choose blue, green, red, black, or white, it will tell you the color isn't a primary color. Now, not only can you write this blue, green, red, you can also put other statements in this like .txt. Anything that starts with .txt, you will be written. This is just according to your creativity. You write your Bash script that way. So let's run this Bash script. I wrote case bash. So I've told you how to run Bash script without the // or the .sh. Now go to my video again. You actually see this in my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are loving this tutorial. And also please comment. I've not been seeing a lot of comments in my videos, and it's really bringing me down because I don't know whether you guys liked it or not. So when I run case bash, I will be asked examples of a primary color. So what are examples of a primary color? Like I said, I'll write blue and it says it's a primary color. When I run it again, I'll write green and it will tell me color green is a primary color. Then when I write purple, let me write purple, and it will tell me color isn't a primary color. If I write orange, it will tell me the same thing, isn't a primary color. As far as it's not in the statement, it won't be shown as a primary color. If I write black, it will tell me black is not a color, it's an attitude, since I've told it also write if I chose black. And also if I write blue, okay, I've written blue. If I write red, it will tell me color red is great. If I write white, it will tell me white is just a normal color. Then if I write yellow, it will tell me yellow isn't a primary color. So this is how case statements work. So in my next tutorial, I'll use the case statements, the if statement, that's the conditional statement, and also the variables functions, and I'll use it to make a simple Bash script for you before we enter the loops and other things in the Bash script. So if you like this video, don't forget to follow me for more, and I'll see you next tutorial. Thank you.